Hello, welcome to this week's How's the Market Pensacola. We're going to make this very quick. That little storm out there is looking like it's going to maybe head our way. It keeps shifting east, so if you haven't already gotten ready, you probably want to do that. It seems like it's shifting east. I know we were talking about a tropical storm in New Orleans hours ago, but now it keeps strengthening and heading our way, so pay attention to that. I'm going to make this a very, very quick show just to make sure people, as we're following stuff, and also for, maybe even next year as we're sitting here, we can look back, we can see the numbers. So let's take a look at the numbers right now before this thing shows up. Let's go. All right, so I always start the show off with this particular slide. It says if we have between 6 and 7 months worth of inventory, we have a neutral market. Anything greater than 7 months is considered a buyer's market. Anything less than 6 months is considered a seller's market. What the slide doesn't say. Anything greater than 9 months is considered a hyper buyer's market. Anything less than 3 months is considered a hyper seller's market. Let's head over and take a look. We're going to start off in Escambia County. Looks like everything under $450,000 is a hyper seller's market. Then it goes up to a seller's, drops back down to a hyper seller's market. 5 to 550 is a hyper seller's market. And then we go back to just a seller's market until we get to the luxury. Luxury right now, pre this storm, and hopefully it doesn't do much damage, but pre this storm, we are in a neutral market in luxury in Escambia County. In Santa Rosa County, $0 to $50,000, nothing. Everything under $650,000 is considered a hyper seller's market. $650,000 to $700,000 is actually considered a neutral market in Santa Rosa County currently, and $700,000 plus is back down to a seller's market. This is, if this hurricane actually shows up and does any damage, this will change drastically, because if it starts to do some damage to houses, they'll get snapped up to be rebuilt, and people will pull stuff off the market. And couple all that with COVID and everything else that's been going on, that's going to be interesting to see. But I wanted to make sure that we got these numbers out, even just for recording sake, so that we know what it was looking like before this thing shows up. Hopefully it dissipates some, but it doesn't look like it's going to at all. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. That's the biggest thing. Stay safe right now. And we will chat next week. Have a good one. I'm a man on a mission. My mission is to help people break through all the noise out there and don't need no permission. I want to help you get to actual truth. Don't you just want the truth?